Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing HyperLock and granting the essential permissions so the app can control screen locking. Once done, enable notifications and accessibility access to allow auto-lock triggers and quick actions. This is required for features to work reliably. Set your primary unlock, PIN, pattern, or biometric, and choose whether to allow fallback methods. Make sure to confirm device admin when prompted, because without it, HyperLock can't enforce secure lock behavior. Now move to configuring modes and schedules. You'll now configure modes and automation so HyperLock adapts to context. First, create mode profiles, home, work, night, and attach time ranges, Wi-Fi SSID, or geofence coordinates. This lets the app switch behavior automatically. Once profiles exist, set triggers, Bluetooth connection, specific Wi-Fi networks, or scheduled times to engage or relax lock strictness. Adjust lock delay and quick unlock options to balance convenience and security, and tweak feedback like vibration or lock sound. After this, verify each mode by simulating triggers. You're at the finish line. Run test cycles for every mode to confirm that HyperLock locks and unlocks as expected. Export your settings for backup and enable remote wipe or recovery options if the app supports them, so you don't lose access. Make sure battery optimization exemptions are set for HyperLock to prevent forced sleep. If something goes wrong, regrant accessibility and device admin, restart the phone, and retest. These steps resolve most issues quickly. That's it, you're secure and automated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.